Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Nvidia graphics not detected in device manager in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type device manager. Click on open it. You just need to select the view option over here and select show hidden devices. Now you just need to expand the display adapter section. If there is no drivers available, then you just need to expand the system devices. You just need to expand the system devices and you just need to find with the name PCI. After finding the name with the PCI, you just need to see whether you have a yellow error symbol like I showed in the image. Then you just need to right click on it and select update driver guys. Select search automatically for drivers, and after doing this, if you have more yellow triangle symbol devices listed over here, then you just need to do the same thing for all devices guys. Just right click on it and select update driver and select search automatically for drivers guys. After doing this, you just need to close it off here and go to search menu and type check for updates. Click on open it. Select check for updates, and if you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it guys and make your operating system up to date. And after doing this, you just need to scroll down and select advanced options. In here you just need to scroll down and select optional updates. In optional updates, if you have any Nvidia updates listed over here, then you just need to just check mark it and select download and install option guys. After doing this, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. Go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Just copy and paste over here and just press enter. After pasting this command, you just need to restart your PC and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.